everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will continue our discussion with the TypeScript, React and that kind of things, mostly on the front end web development. We just moved from the back end Java development into the front end to learn more front end development things. So in today's video what we can do is we will create a React application as usual, because I did so many create React application videos, but nothing is in order. But that's a theoretical perspective. I mean, for a theoretical perspective we need to learn everything from the beginning, but right now I didn't have that much time. That's why I didn't post a single video for the last few months or something. So the thing is, like, what we can do today is, like, even if you are starting React application development or TypeScript, these things will benefit everyone. Set up a React TypeScript application. So TypeScript make JavaScript type safe, and you know how to create React app using React app command. In that case, how we can manage both in the same project. I mean, we need to add the TypeScript into our project. So how we can do that's that probably we will discuss today, and let's see what we can do after that. So just run that command, create to do app or something like. Yeah, create to do app is fine. And let's see what's going to happen after running this command. So installing packages, this might take a couple of minutes. CRI template. So these things, TypeScript template, this actually we need to discuss in one video how templates will work. So I have some ideas about templates, but I'm not going to discuss that things today. It will take all, if I am going to discuss that, it will take or 1 hour or half an hour. I don't think the template will take that much time, but it will take some time. So it's better to have that discussion in another video. But right now we want to start our application. That's the only thing. So here I'm missing script start. Did you mean one of these? npm start, npm run? But based on that website documentation, oh, say like I need to just run npm start. These things, oh okay, I know what the problem is. I need to go inside that application, right? So to do app, then run npm start. It's very simple. So here it is. Edit src app.tsx and save to reload. We can open that application in our Visual Studio Code. That's another thing we can trying to do in this video, and we will do some editing. Visual Studio Code is taking some time. So based on that website, they are they are actually, yeah, they are actually asking to edit our app.jsx folder. So we will do that thing. So let me open my folder first, and we can try to do some of these things that mentioned in that website. So where is my, so where exactly I open my program? So I'm a bit confusion here. So which folder I create this one? So a little bit confusing because it is in projects. Yeah, that's the best place. So okay, so I open my project here. Yes, I trust my project. I always trust my project. Then what we can do is, this is a typical React project structure. We have everything is here, app is here. So based on that one, function app, that's a statement, and we are gonna edit this. We don't need anything because header, hello, get it, and there is a link here. So I don't need any of this. And what I am going to do is I will remove everything. Just hello world is fine. So again in the background we can see that hello world is there. But based on the TypeScript, we need to define some types, and we need to check that types will work in our case. So it's better to create a component here. So we usually create a folder or something. New folder, components, or component. Yeah, components is fine. Then click on that one, create a file. It's like what we need to do in this kind of scenario. So maybe a button, submit button or something like that, or in a page. So okay, I got another problem here. In components, usually we will create a folder. So in folder, header, footer, or the first page or something. Maybe in some scenarios we will do like create a pages folder. Then inside pages we will create another folder called main. So this is a main page. So I'm pointing into the main page, or again point into first page. We cannot say first page. If we are in a first page, it's an index page, so it's better to create an index. Okay, this is also a folder. Okay, inside index you need to create index.jsx, because that's the one we need. So index.jsx, and index.jsx we will create the component. So if I am creating like function index, oh, I have some issues here. Index.tsx, index.jsx, everything is already here. So it's better to delete this one. need to delete this particular folder. How I can do that? Delete to trash. Okay, so that's not work in this case. So okay, so I got an idea. So I create a new folder. Welcome should be small letter for the standard. And here I need to create a new file. Welcome.tsx, and inside that I probably need to function. It's welcome. So here, guess this is the way we will define, but we can look on the things here. So this is the way. So you should have a, for a function we need to have these things. Okay, then inside this probably return then h2 tag or something, then welcome, and this one is fine. Then export default, exports default or export default. Welcome. Okay, so we are done. We are done with the first thing, and we will call that here. So hello world, after hello world I need to call my main, not main, welcome page. Okay, so it's saying like some issues, JSX successfully must be one parent element. Okay, what I am going to do is I need only one. Cannot find name, welcome. Probably this one. So small welcome. Typos everywhere. Okay, so it's property welcome does not exist. That's the problem. So I am trying to copy this one. Welcome does not exist. View problem, welcome does not exist on type intrinsic elements. I need to export that, import that. So import, usually it will automatically pick up, but I don't know what is going to happen here. So here it's not the, this is not the right way. So we can take a reference from here. This is the way to define something. So it's saying like, so I have welcome, but it should have this one, but still it's not working. So we have some issues here. Okay, we will solve that things later. That's fine. Welcome. Let's have some issues here. I don't know, but I will fix that. React components. Yeah, I know that because in a functions function app hello world sport default welcome function welcome, everything is here. I don't know why it's not working, but probably there is something. This you let me check the issue here. So I need to change this one, refactor, rename. So here usually all the components will be I need to rename here also. So here welcome. Okay, so right now everything is fine here, and we need to welcome here. So right now it's fine. So the problem is should be uppercase. The components or anything you are declaring should be uppercase. So each one here, I cannot have that things here. It's a problem. So if I can fix this thing, no, this gonna work. So I need to find how we can do both in the same scenario. I guess it's like we need to have that bracket or something is here. So the welcome works fine. So we can wrap up our video here, and in coming videos we will discuss more types, more things, and we will do more with React and TypeScript. So thank you for watching. Have a